Well, Nazara Tech in focus in trade, it's under acute pressure. There's the latest CLSA report which is out where they've initiated a sell rating with a target price at about 1,095. They have gone ahead and said that the Indian mobile gaming, casual and real money and online fantasy sports, that dominates with about a 90% share, whereas the esports continues to remain a very nascent segment in the country and very niche. Despite the fact that it's been growing 55% since 2018. They also believe that the telco subscriptions would potentially decline, but they foresee the consolidated revenue at 850 crores for FY23 led by esports and gamified learning. They also see that a lot of competition has intensified within the space from top players like MPL, skill-based esports platform, Paytm First Games and Dream 11, which is backed by Tencent and owns a stake in PUBG. So that's going to be a bit of a deterrent. In terms of the stock valuations, they believe at 6 times the FY23 EV sales and 29 times EV Ebitda, it looks a little bit expensive as the first, and it carries a hefty scarcity premium at a 3 times to the CLSA India coverage. Some of the other pointers as well that they have highlighted is that the company has a complex corporate structure and esports subsidiary that as of now, due to the potential regulatory risks, they have modified their aggressive user acquisition approach and growth model, and that is going to remain a focus area. Going forward as well, they say that the companies, there is a major boom in mobile gaming globally as well. You are seeing the overall outlook of mobile gaming market generating strong revenues, and they foresee it growing and expanding at a 16% CAGR as well over FY16 to FY20, and they see the mobile gaming market touching about $93 billion by FY22 going forward. They also see the Indian mobile global gaming taking off going forward, where they believe that there has been a rise in the number of PC console games. However, they are not as popular as mobile games in the country. As of now, they see esports as a very niche in the country. They believe that it's still youngsters in India who are the target audience as well. For real money skill games, they have different avenues and opportunities to exhibit their competitive mettle like online poker, fantasy, etc. Although they have gained significant traction in the country. They also see the regulatory challenge in India, where real money gaming is currently under a regulatory grey area. So that as well will be a point of contention, and they see the esports, which needs an ecosystem to grow, as well as sponsorships in order to grow ahead with payment, players and competitiveness going forward. So that's essentially the overall report from CLSA, and you've got Nazara in focus on the back.